Good morning, everyone. We're at the Siberian Husky Club of the Twin Cities Specialty, and we're about to start our regular judging with junior showmanship. Our judge is Mrs. Bedford. And we do have a slow connection again, and I think maybe Anita will be helping me a little bit today. We'll see. So just cross our fingers. I did restart my phone, hoping no blurriness occurs, but anyway, cross our fingers. All right, I don't know what they're doing. We might be moving, but not sure yet. We'll see. We'll do the best we can. And this is the first junior. Oh. This is Sawyer Androli. He's got Grand Champion Brenick and Trapex Dragonheart. Breeders are Mrs. Brianna Klecker and Eileen Gakey. And he's going to move, so I'll finish up in a bit. And this is the novice junior, Slayer Androli. And the breeders are this is by Trapex Upside Down Under and Trapec and Sumax Yasima. Owners are Brianna Klecker. Again, this is the novice junior class, and Sawyer is first. Next is our open junior, Hunter Olsen. And he has Grand Champion Silver, Echoing Winds Bauer Hawkeye, or Hockey, sorry. And breeder Charity Rigger by Kansas Kiss My Country, and TLC's Slice of Heaven, owner Rachel Royer. And Hunter is first. Next class is the open intermediate class. I believe she's taking them one at a time. Oh no. She gave them some kind of instructions. And first we have Samantha Rigger. She has Grand Champion Silver, Echoing Winds All My Love to Kansas. And breeder Jolie Lamonska, Robin Malchow, and Charity Rigger by Grand Champion Echo Winds All My Love to Kansas. And this is the dog that makes my head hurt and I asked for the siren, should have written it down. And Grand Champion Kansas Ready to Rock CA. Owners Charity Rigger, Robin Malchow, and Vanessa Papp. And next up, this is the open intermediate class. This is Dominic Jared, and he has championed Tivana's Shadow of LaRouche, and the breeder is Trisha Campbell by Grand Champion Bronze de Toledo Navigato, and Grand Champion Best in Show, Grand Champion Bronze LaRouche. And the owner is Trisha Campbell. We are at the Siberian Husky Club of the Twin Cities Specialty with our judge, Mrs. Bedford. And first in the open intermediate class is Samantha Rigger, and second is Dominic Gerard. Juniors do a great job, and they have a really nice entry here. So, and I know the clubs are trying to have juniors. So if you're a junior, have juniors out there, look for specialties. And this is the open senior class. And this is Caitlin Krause, and she has Grand Champion Freon's The Best Is Yet to Come, Breeders Thomas and Dr. Mary Krause, by Grand Champion Silver, Diamond T Sharp Dressed Man, and Grand Champion Bronze, Playmore's Act of Faith. Owners are Tom and Dr. Mary Krause and Caitlin Krause. And she is first. Next up, we will have the Best Junior competition. This is the Siberian Husky Club of Twin City Best Junior. Well, he's having fun. And Best Junior is Caitlin Kraus, and Reserve Junior is Hunter Olson. And we're probably going to be moving right into the dog classes, which means your videographer's going to be running around. So, what can I say? I can say...
Let's have a big hand for these juniors. They are the future of the breed. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you for showing your beautiful dogs to us. And we'd like to thank our judge from Bedford. How about a round of applause for our judge and our stewards who make this show go? Thank you. So shortly, breed classes will begin with dogs, and then there will be a lunch break.
Okay, so I guess he just said we're going to do the dog classes and then there'll be a break for lunch. I guess we'll figure out what that is exactly. I will tell you this, the second dog class will be bred by exhibitor Puppy. First dog in the ring is Maritime's Catch Me If You Can. And so I'll be running after somewhere, see how she judges the 12 to 18 months. And then the second dog is Echoing Winds Best of My Love. And it is breeders Robin Malchow and Charity Rigger by Grand Champion Silver, Echoing Winds All My Love to Kansas, and Grand Champion Echo Winds Kickstart My Heart. Owners Charity Rigger, Robin Malchow, and Anna Harmon. But our first class is the 12 to 18 month puppy class, or junior dog class, and it looks like there's only one. And I gotta see what the armband is. Or not, because I'm blinder than a bat. I can't.
She was pretty cool, wasn't she? I like her bag.
I can't read her armband. I'm gonna guess it's 17. Nicolux Music Man, and it is breeders Carla and Stephen Walls by Topaz Dark Sky and Nicolux and Coba's Shall We Dance. Owner Amanda Johnson. And I am gonna zoom out, and you're gonna be stuck with the zoom outs because I'm going to get my puppy boy. And wish me luck.
Okay, ready? All right. Put, no, Lily, how you got it? You got it? Go. All right. Continue. Come on, big guy. Well, yeah.
All right, and the bread bag exhibitor are adult. Let's finished yesterday, so it got moved up, and this is American bred, and it's sumac and Trapex, all the pretty boys walking like this. And breeders Sandra Reitzma, Annalise Reitzma, and Eileen Gakey. By Grand Champion Silver, Cedar Woods Be Still My Heart, and Sumac and Trapex Jibber Jabber. Owners Wendy and Mason Amos. And he is first. 2, 1. Absent. Well, not absent, but. And this is the open dog class. And our first handler has to get her armband back on. But eventually the first dog will be Trapex and Sumax Fenrer, breeders Eileen Gakey, Sandra and Annalise Reitzma. By Grand Champion Silver, Cedar Woods Be Still My Heart, and Champion Trapex and Sumax Oreo Monroe. Owners Katie Tetro and Anthony Coach and Annalise Reitzma. And this is the open dog class at the Twin City Siberian Husky Specialty. And our next dog is Cooper's Shaken Not Stirred. Lots of titles. Breeders Demi Flowers, Ann Palmer and Brian Palmer. By Grand Champion Bronze Lodgepole's Flintlock and Champion Highlanders Eve of Darkness. Owners are Susie Schwarzbach and Demi Flower. And I should ask her, she's set up near me, how to say her name. And next is Corsimas and Windrunners Man of Colors, breeder Jean Bisaglia, and by Corsimas Wrecking Havoc and champion Corsimas Never Lose Hope. Owner Jean Bisaglia and Ron Swiskowski and Lee Swiskowski. Sorry, guys. The dog hit my stand. And our next dog is Siddhar's Code of Honor. Breeders Diane and Bill Haddle and Haley Haddle by Grand Champion Bronze Kansas, something to be proud of. And Siddhar's Unanswered Prayer. Owners Diane and Bill and Haley Haddle. Whoopsie, and I'm all over the place. Oh, sorry. Some people are going to go in the car after this, even though they're going to be in first grade. And this is the open dog class at the Siberian Husky Club of the Twin Cities specialty. Our judge is Mrs. Bedford. And first is Siddhar's, Code of Honor. Second is Corsima and Windrunners Man of Colors. And third is Trapec and Sumac Finnera. And fourth is Cooper's Shaken Not Stirred. And next we will have Winner's Dog. I think she'll probably do the same thing, line them up here, bring them around, and do her winter stuff. Okay, she's taking them around. And that was the open dog. And this is our Ambred. The puppy bred by and then this is the junior dog. And winner's dog is the open dog, Sidar's Code of Honor. And reserve is the American bred sumac and Trapex, all the pretty boys walking like this. And I believe we will be taking a break, but I'm going to wait so I can let you know what the story is. Oh wait, we aren't taking a break till after our vets. I'm ready to take a break. I'm sorry. And our first veteran dog, 8 to 10-year-old, is, whoopsie, sorry, Grand Champion Lodgepole's Prison Strike. And he is, breeders are Carol Preble, Kep Preble, Cheryl Phelps. He's by Grand Champion Bronze Lodgepole's Flintlocks and Grand Champion Lodgepole's Brown Sugar. And the owners are Carol and Kep Preble and Cheryl Phelps. And the next dog, I'm just going to tell you his name because I don't believe the siren dam, or the dam might be correct. I don't know that the siren is. This is Grand Champion Silver, Echoing Winds, All My Love to Kansas, breeders Julie Lamonska, Robin Malchow, and Charity Rigger. By the bitch might be Grand Champion Kansas Ready to Rock. Owners are Charity Rigger, Robin Malchow, and Vanessa Papp, and John and Sharon Stratt. And he is first, Echoing Winds, All My Love to Kansas, and second is Lodgepool's Prison Strike. And our next dog, there's only one in this class today. And he's already had a workout in juniors. This is Grand Champion Freon's The Best Is Yet to Come, breeders Tom and Dr. Mary Krause, by Grand Champion Silver, Diamond T's Sharp Dressed Man, and Grand Champion Bronze, Playmore's Act of Faith. Owners are Tom and Dr. Mary Krause and Caitlin Krause. And he is first. Next class is the 12 and older veterans, and today we have 2. And our first 12 and older veteran is Grand Champion Kansas, An Eagle Will Fly, breeder Julie Lamonska and Joanne Brewer, by Champion Kansas, Fly Like an Eagle of Snow Bear, and Grand Champion Fanta CS, Living in the Moment, owner Julie Lamonska. we are at the Siberian Husky Club of the Twin Cities specialty, and this is the 12 and over veteran dog class. And our judge is Mrs. Bedford. Next up is, sorry, Echo Wins Just Do It. Breeders Tim Peterson and Melissa Bloom by Nikoshaz Denali and champion Sumac Drummer Girl Echo. Owners Edward Hyman. I'm gonna kill him. I am going to kill that dog. He's going in the car. Just kidding. I love him, but he's a brat. My Solly dog is like being bad. I'll just put it there. And I shouldn't say it's my Solly dog. Anita's Solly dog is being bad. And just kidding. We both love him, but he's being bad. He's going to go out in the van. And first is 35, Kansas, Grand Champion Kansas, An Eagle Will Fly, and second is Echo Wins Just Do It. And I'll let you know what their story is, I think, if they let me know. We are breaking for lunch. Okay, so they just stated lunch break until 12:20. So I'll be back around 12:18.